if you dig into the details, I mean, the flies tend not to die of cancer so much. So I mean, cancer is one of the, it's probably the main among the causes of human aging that the fly model is actually less useful for. The thing you find with flies and cancer is more so that some of the things that would prolong life in flies will work great on humans. Some of the things that would prolong life in flies might cause cancer in humans, or by diminishing the function of tumor suppressor cells or something. So you sort of have a logic like, if we could merely solve the small problem of curing cancer, then you could port over everything that makes flies and other model organisms live a long time. You could port that over much more easily to humans. So I mean, these things, they all fit together, but this particular thing with lung cancer is not so much related to the Methuselah fly data, but it all connects in the AI's knowledge base, right? I mean, the AI has data from long-lived flies. It has data from yeast and other model organisms, from mice, from rats, and above all, data from humans. And the AI can connect all of this data together. But in terms of the fly data, the main thing you want to have the AI understand is like which of the things that works on a fly will not bump into cancer-related pathways in humans in the wrong way. But then you do want to understand the cancer-related pathways, and you want the AI to understand it for that reason.
Right. Flies have they have successfully been used as a model for epithelial cancers. And I worked with another student at UC Irvine who used them as a successful model for ovarian cancer as well. Of course, those flies, they were models, and so they had cancer induced in them. They didn't naturally get cancer, but the way that the growth of cancer will affect Drosophila is still a good model for mimicking how tumor biology and cancer biology will proliferate in humans as well.
Yes, and the audience is asking, flies can get cancer? What kind of cancers do flies get?
Well, they can get a lot of kinds of cancer in principle. It's just not a major cause of death for them, because other things.
Oh, okay. Okay, but what kinds? Kennedy, I want the Queen's take on this.
Flies mostly get epithelial cancer, so cancers that are related to like kind of their outer membranes of either the larval stage or the adult like body stage. So like it'd be roughly like, if you were going to say like what's the human like equivalent to that, like skin cancer basically. So
okay, interesting. And then they want to know, what do flies die of then if cancer isn't one of the major causes?
They literally fall apart.
Ben doesn't kill them first.
Yeah, I've killed quite a few, I have to say. Yeah.
Well, don't say anything like that on the show. We don't want any Methuselah flies watching the show to hear about those horrible experiences. But seriously, so what do you mean they fall apart? Tell us more. That sounds great.
Well, they stopped being able to like really move very well. So like their joints, their legs, their wings.
They get old.
Yeah, they get old.
Okay.